What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll show you how to do the running in place footwork with a jump rope. If you're new to this channel and want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So the running in place footwork is a very nice footwork that could actually increase your speed while you jump. I use it a lot of the time when I jump rope and chain a huge number of jump ropes together, and it kind of make me beat time, especially in challenges and all. So the footwork is actually like this. So before we actually continue, I would like to correct one mistake a lot of people are making in the community now. So the running in place footwork is different from the alternate high knee. Now the alternate high knee will be something like this. You're kind of kicking out and flexing at your knee while you do something like this. While the running in place footwork would be something like this. You know, this is what you actually do when you want to run. You kind of push your legs and it propels you forward, so to cover a large distance, right? But you can't be running like this. That's another thing entirely, especially when you're training your bounding. That's when you kind of do something like this. But when you're running, you're actually doing something like this. So the jump rope running in place footwork is something like that as well. So instead of doing this and calling it the running in place footwork, that's completely wrong. You should do something like this instead. So it seems like I'm doing butt kicks, but that's the running in place footwork. So how do you do this footwork? You have to create a rhythm for yourself, like 1, 2, by switching your body weight from one foot to the other. This is not like the boxer skip. The boxer skip, you have to like use both of your legs, but one of your leg carries most of the body weight, but this time one of your leg carries all the body weight. So what you'll be doing will be something like this. So you'll be switching your leg 1, 2, 1, 2, but you are not moving forward. You're just doing it in one place. And I'm sure that's the main reason why people are lifting their knee so high and making it look as if it's a high knee. So you'll be doing something like this, 2, 3, 4. So practice that, then you can incorporate your rope and it will look something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. If I'm to go fast, so see how it is. So that's how to practice it, guys. So try as much as possible. Practice, practice, practice. This footwork is very, very simple, and in no time you get to do it like the pros you are. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friend who is still trying to learn new footworks in the jump rope community. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys.